Hello guys, I'm back, it's Mr. T here and I'm again with my friend Thomas, and today we are gonna show you another hybrid turbocharger. It's M157 and M278, 4.7 and 5.5 liter engine. And we will show you today the assembly of the turbocharger, the difference of the stock compressor wheel and hybrid one.
So we have a hybrid turbo here for M157 and M258.
278.
270, sorry, yeah. We have a compressor wheel to compare with hybrid one. You can see there's a bit of a difference. And also the turbine wheels. This one's stock, this one's hybrid, so quite a big difference. We can see it here if you put in the original part. So now we're almost halfway. That's how it looks. So now we're gonna assemble the exhaust part. So now we have almost fully assembled turbo. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the actuator in its place. And that's it. Now we're gonna check actuator and do the same thing with the other turbine.